Hello students. Last day you learned some word problems. Today let us learn some more word problems related with the rational numbers. One question is given here. The cost of 7 2 by 3 meters of cloth is rupees 12 3 by 4. Find the cost per meters. Let us solve it. The cost of 7 2 by 3 meters, nothing but 12 3 by 4 rupees. See, now what you are supposed to find out, therefore cost per meters. Which concept will you use here? Which operation will you use? Wait. Let us rearrange the question in this way. Cost of 10 books is 100 rupees. What is the cost of one book? How will you find out? 100 rupees divided by 10 books. That means 100 by 10. So same way, here we can find out cost per meter as 12 3 by 4 divided by 7 2 by 3. It is equal to 4 12s are 48. 48 plus 3, 51 divided by 3. This is mixed fraction. So this fraction should be converted into improper fraction. Divided by 3 sevens are 21. 21 plus 2, 23 divided by 3. Okay. Now it is equal to 51 divided by 4. You know that division is not possible. Instead of division, what will you do? You will multiply by reciprocal of 23 by 3, that is 3 by 23. It is equal to 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. Multiplication is very simple. Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. Divided by 4 3s are 12, remainder 1, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. Now we have to divide this and convert into mixed fraction. 153 divided by 92. 92 ones are 92. 3 minus 2 1, 15 minus 9 6. So 161 by 92. Rupees 161 by 92. So you can convert it to decimal form also, but this is enough for us. So we have found out cost per meter. Otherwise, how will you find out 153 by 61? Now what will you do? You have already learned. What if you have now you are unable to divide? What will you do? You will place a point here, place a point here, put a 0, put a 0. 6 2s are 12, remainder 1, 6 9s are 54, 54 plus 1, 55. Subtract 10 minus 2, 8, now 9 minus 5, 4. What will you do? Put a 0 here, that 0 can be written here. In 480, how many times? Can be 5 times. 5 2s are 10, remainder 1, 5 9s are 45 plus 1, 46. 20, you cannot divide, put one more 0 there, here also 1 0. How many times? 2 times 184. So whatever may be the remainder, let it be there. We need only 2 places. So 1 point is approximately rupees 1.65. So this is the cost per meter. Okay, now we can do next problem. You can note this answer. Next question. Find the area of a rectangular park which is 18 3 by 5 meters long and 8 2 by 3 meters broad. So what are given here? Length is given 18 3 by 5 meters. Breadth is given 8 2 by 3 meters. Actually, you know that the formula to find out area of a rectangle. So bark is in the form of a rectangle. So its area will be the product of its length and breadth. So area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Length is 18 3 by 5 multiplied by breadth 8 2 by 3. That means square meter will be the area. So let us give the value last now. So it is equal to 18 5s are 90, 90 plus 3, 93 by 5 multiplied by 8 3s are 24 plus 2, 26 by 3. Okay, so you know that 331 will be 93. We can't simplify again, so we write 31 multiplied by 26 by 5. 31 multiplied by 26 by 5, it is equal to, let us multiply 31 by 26. 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 6, 8 plus 2 10, remainder 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 6 8, 806 divided by 5 square meters. Let us simplify it, let us convert it into mixed fraction. 806 divided by 5, you know that 5 ones are 5, 3 in 30, 6 5s are 30. Now 6 5 1. Okay, so 161 1 by 5 meter square. Now note down, you can note down this answer. Let us check third question. What number should minus 33 by 16 be divided by to get minus 11 by 4? First, let us check the operation needed here. For that, let us rearrange the question in simple way. That what number should, say for example, we are giving what number should 20 be divided by to get 10. So 20 should be divided by what number to get 10? 2. Yes or no? 20 divided by 2 only 10. How will you get that 2? 20 divided by 10. Isn't it? So 20 divided by 10 is 2. So in the same way, our required number will be minus 33 by 16 divided by minus 11 by 4. So this way should be used to find out the solution for these type of questions. So therefore we can write the required number. The required number is equal to minus 33 by 16, means first number divided by second number divided by minus 11 by 4. It is equal to minus 33 by 16. You know, instead of division we will multiply by reciprocal of minus 11 by 4 is minus 4 by 11. Only numbers will be interchanged. That means denominator will be numerator, numerator will be denominator, symbol will be remaining same there. So this minus will be plus. So instead of cutting that directly, let us write plus. Let us simplify. 4 4s are 16, 11 3s are 33. What is the ultimate answer? Minus into minus plus 3 by 4. So minus 33 by 16 should be divided by 3 by 4 to get minus 11 by 4. You can note down this answer also. Now today's homework, you have two problems. First problem, if 36 trousers of equal sizes can be stitched with 64 meters of cloth, what is the length of the cloth required for each trouser? Second question, when the repeating decimal 10.363636, that means it is repeated, is written in simplest fractional form p by q. That means if you can write 10.363636 and so on in the form of p by q, then what is the value of p plus q? That means you find it in p by q form, then add the values. So if you get 3 by 4 as the answer, 3 plus 4 7 will be our final answer. So these two problems you can do and post the answers in my WhatsApp number. Thank you.